Shoot, man, I can't
You
even.
better keep up with
I
it.
know.
Yeah,
Out there flying this drone.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Ah.
That thing is, y'all probably can't even see it.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Jeez. I'd have hit that pole, the ground. Y'all are probably not seeing this well, but this drone is flying.
Oh, this damn
Doing flips and tricks.
Yeah, but I thought mine was faster. I seen his. Yeah, he rookie. Cause mine is scoop, but not like that. Nothing like that.
I don't even know if I'm getting this good.
So which RC car gonna race that?
Hey, all our lipos are dumped.
Damn.
That's crazy. Y'all, he's got goggles on too, so he's looking at everything through the goggles. Oh, touch the tree.
All day long if I had batteries.
Hey Jesse, can you bring it in front of me to get a close up? Never mind. He just flew past me like a UFO. Never mind. That was my close up, y'all. Yeah, you have to have it. That's what you doing. Yeah, you can't do that. Going fast because you're a big. Oh, dang. Man, you typing my butt cheek when it comes out. Shoot.
That thing is crazy. Yep.
I know.
Hey. Like it's coming at you.
I was like, let me back up. Let me back up.
That's impressive, man.
Y'all, this thing is something. Look at this. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. I'd have been crashed into people. I'd have been out in the street hitting real cars. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.